Hi, first grade. This week we are doing an art project that includes printmaking. And printmaking is a fancy way of saying drawing or painting on one item and moving it to another item. So for today, we're going to be using foil and markers, and we're going to color a design here, and then we're going to transfer it to a piece of paper. So that's what we're going to be doing. Here's a quick video to show you how. Make sure you watch the Scratch Garden color video. It's really fun and it is inspirational, and it talks a lot about the rainbow and the different colors in the rainbow. So make sure you take a peek at that. Let me know if you have any questions. Gather up some supplies: foil, white paper, washable markers, and either a Sharpie or a crayon. First thing you're going to do is create a design with your permanent marker or your crayon. I'm doing a rainbow because I love rainbows, but you can do any design you want. You can do anything like flowers or doggies or people or anything you like. Next, take that drawing, flip it over upside down on your foil, and trace around the outside of it with your Sharpie. This just gives you an area that you know you're supposed to color inside of, so you don't have to color all the foil. Now, grab those washable markers and it's time to color. We're going to color inside of that box that we created. And you know what? You can color however you want. I did these kind of diagonal stripes. Maybe you want to do a bunch of little circles. Maybe you want to do boxes. Maybe you just want to be really random with your shapes. Try not to just scribble though. It's important to get big blocks of color, not letting your colors just scribble on top of each other. I'm almost done. Notice I'm staying close to the edge of that square I had drawn originally. Move it off to the side. Grab your design and a damp sponge. No drippy drippies, just wet enough that as you start to rub your white paper, you'll notice that it starts to get a little bit wet. You can use a sponge, a really clean sponge, or a wet paper towel. And just make sure you go over it, all the pieces, and try not to rip it. Okay, here comes the fun part. You're going to lay your marker there in front of you. Grab that white paper, try to line it up inside of the square, and rub. Rub all the back of the project. It's really important to take your time as you rub the back of your print. Now, your hands might get a little messy. That's okay. Here we go. La 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 la. Ah, it's like magic. And there you have it. That's how you do a foil